Hello tech people, today I am going to start a brand new Spring Boot course for you. So in this series you can learn lot of things about Spring Boot. So let's get started. Okay, for initiating project we have to go to the Spring Initializer website, and there you can search what is the language and what is the Spring Boot version and the packaging and the dependencies and what is the artifact and what is your project name, and you can put small description on the project and what is the packaging version. It's like a jar file or what is the output. Do you need jar file or do you need WAV file, and you can select the what is the your Java version. Yeah, and I'm choosing Java 11 for here, and in here the dependency section you can add what are the dependencies. For our project we need Lombok, so I added Lombok and Spring Web. Okay, now let's generate the project. Okay, I downloaded the project. Now extract the project. Okay, I'm using IntelliJ for my development purposes, so we can open the project using IntelliJ. Every time you have to open the POM file, then it will load as a Maven project. Because I use Maven, Maven. If you want, you can select Gradle when you are initiating the project. Okay, now you can see the dependencies are downloading. Bottom right hand side you can see, and the right hand side you can see Maven tab. There you can see lifecycle, clean and install, clean build, and you can skip the test using that button, and you can see the dependencies. Whatever you are using in the POM file, the dependencies they are you can see under the dependency section. Now I added Lombok, so you can see the Lombok on the right hand side. So this is my project structure. Now this is the basic skeleton structure. So there you can see the main method of the Spring Boot project. This is how it is going to start. This is the main method, and this is the application properties. You can store any properties here, and if you are using some HTML and JS, JSP, HTML, JS template, you can use resources, static and templates in here. Now I'm going to create some packages. I'm telling this everything according to my previous experience related to Spring Boot. So when we are writing microservices, most of the time we have to create some packages. So some common packages are controller, DTO and model. Later I will tell you why we are creating projects and what are the purposes of these packages. Now I'm creating a schedulers. I created service package, and this time repository, and we need to create listeners, publishers, events if you need. So in this series I'm more into go to practical level, not to the theoretical level, so you can get some hands-on experience about the Spring Boot. And if you are having any questions, please put your problem in the comment section. If I have a time, I will reply you. And the source code I will attach in the description section. You can go to the GitHub and download the GitHub project. According to the course, I will create a new branch, so you can check out and view the code. Okay, in here configuration, we can use bean classes and configuration and configure properties. And the controller, you can store the REST controllers. And the exception package, you can store any exception related to exception classes. We can create a class and we can extend to runtime exception, like that. Its repository, we can use anything related to DB database